Alright, so just a little update. I haven't seen this, but Preston said it's crazy outside. Oh my god. It's hitting me through the screen right here. Oh my god. I don't know if you can see it. Look how much snow that is. That is insane. It's like this much snow. High, bigger. Look. Look. That is insane. Oh my god. That's cold. No, that's not how much there is. There's like so much. Toby, chill. Look. I don't know. Oh my god, you can barely see the light out there. It's snowing so bad. Okay, I'm gonna close the door.
What are you doing?
I had to show people this. But anyway, so that is the snow. Now I'm having second thoughts about this. Oh, you can go in the back. Back over here. Don't ask. Whoa. Look at that. Oh, it's actually not that much, but it's still going. I'll either check up with you later or I'll see you in the morning and see if our birthday party is canceled. Right now I'm having high possibilities about that. But we cannot reschedule it, so I'm hoping I won't. But anyway, guys, see you guys when this get bigger. Hopefully not.
You always show so curious. Maybe you should take it slow.
Look how much that is. This is insane. Huh. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more stuff like this, with more snow and just crazy things that happen, leave a like on this video. And if you're watching this video, thank you. And I don't know what I'm trying to say. But anyway, guys, it's Preston's birthday. I'm not going to tell you the date. This is probably going to go up. Yeah, but anyway, so if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. And if you're on a new channel, subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!